Spreading salam, how simple words earn Allah's love. Assalamu'alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. Sometimes the simplest words carry the greatest rewards. In Islam, saying Assalamu'alaikum is not just a greeting, it is a key to Allah's love and mercy. Before we begin, hit that subscribe button. Every week, we share 2 videos, practical tips and spiritual reminders to protect your rizq. 1. Salam is a command from Allah. Allah says, when you are greeted with a greeting, greet in return with one better than it, or at least return it equally. Indeed, Allah takes account of all things. This shows that spreading salam is an act of worship, not just culture. 2. Salam builds brotherhood. The Prophet said, you will not enter paradise until you believe, and you will not believe until you love one another. Shall I tell you something that will make you love one another? Spread salam among yourselves. Salam is more than words. It is a bridge of love between hearts. 3. Salam is a prayer of peace. When you say, Assalamu'alaikum, you are making dua, may peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be upon you. Every time you greet someone, you are spreading peace and earning reward. 4. Salam removes pride and distance. Greeting others first shows humility. Whether rich or poor, young or old, salam equalizes us. It reminds us that we are one ummah under Allah. 5. Hidden rewards of salam. Angels respond to your salam. It increases barakah in gatherings. It earns Allah's pleasure for spreading peace. Even a small word can carry huge blessings. My dear brothers and sisters, salam is a hidden gem of Islam. It costs nothing, takes seconds, but earns endless reward. So, let's revive this sunnah. Greet your family, your neighbors, and even strangers with salam. Because when you spread peace, you spread Allah's love. If this reminder inspired you, share it with someone you love. And remember, even sharing this video with sincere intention is a sadaqah.